Welcome to another vlog. My name is Greg. If you just joined us, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching and supporting. Everyone that's been supporting. Thank you. So guys, after changing the rear diff, as you can hear, it's still making a lot of noise. So obviously it's not the rear diff, and we just discovered that sound travels. It's so weird. It seems like it's gonna be either the transfer or the transmission, the transfer case or the transmission. So I'm gonna go home and I guess I'm gonna go home and get the car, pull down the car to my house. Yeah. So, just got my transfer case from Jack's. Big up Jack's Transmission, guys. This as I always tell everybody, this car thing costs a lot of money. So when you see us doing all of this, trust me, it's just love, straight love and passion. But as you can see, it's well packed. So let's see if I can take it out. Oh man, wow. Alright, let me get a knife and come on. Here we are, guys. Yep. Let's get this in the car and yeah, take a drive. See if I get rid of that noise. Looks brand new again. So this is like a brand new refurbished transfer with, all the new seals, boards, and upgraded stuff. So yeah, let's put this in. So guys, I'll give you a little update. So this is part of the drive shaft that I took from out of the car, and I don't know if you guys can see if I zoom in, but you see there's lines right here. So this was basically was wearing on the this goes into the transfer. You see these lines coming all around? Yeah, so this was marked up into the transfer, so it was just a lot of shaving. So I had to buy a different one. So, and I didn't want to put this back in my new transfer that I got. So yeah, so we're gonna put up the new one, and then we're gonna put up the transfer, and then we're gonna test drive it and see, yeah, let's see what's what. But I'm almost done, guys. Almost done. So it's a new day, guys. We did some work on it last night, but because it was so dark and stuff, I didn't take any videos. So this is basically where we're at right now with it. Let me show you what's going on. So everything is basically back up. I just have the shifter cable to connect, and that's what's going on here. You can see under here I have the strut bar to connect, but everything is up. And then I'm gonna start it, and I want to drive it in the air just to make sure everything is right. Oh yeah, I have to add the oil, of course. But yeah, and then I'm done. I finished late last night, so I mean, it was dark. Big up Jermaine for helping, me always. So yeah, So let's get the oil in the fluid in, and then we can start the car. So I'll see you guys back in a minute. All right, so we're about to start the car now. So fingers crossed everything is fine, guys. Let's see. Here we go, guys.